A humanoid robot that makes your bed and folds your laundry just hit pre-order for $8,000. And the robot industry will never look the same.
Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald.
This is Saturday, July 4th, 2026.
In robotics news today, Weave Robotics just opened pre-orders for Isaac 1, a home humanoid that makes your bed, folds laundry, and tidies your rooms. The price? $8,000 outright, or $449 a month. You only need $250 down to lock one in. It handles chores autonomously and only calls in a remote human operator when it gets stuck.
Also in robotics, CNN just punctured a big narrative about China's robot dominance. A deep dive into the country's humanoid robot rental boom found that most of these machines still rely heavily on remote human operators to function. Customers renting a humanoid pay around $517 a day, and that price includes a person controlling it behind the scenes. True autonomy is still a work in progress. From Apptronik, the company just launched something called Robot Park, a dedicated real-world data factory built specifically to train humanoid robots. Alongside it, they unveiled the Apollo 3, a humanoid designed for warehouse work, picking, packing, and moving goods while reducing physical strain on human workers. Building a factory just to generate training data is a novel bet on solving AI robotics' biggest bottleneck. In space robotics news, NASA's ERNEST rover just passed a major milestone, autonomously climbing boulders in prototype field tests. What makes it special is that it can lift and reposition each individual wheel independently, letting it conquer terrain that would completely stop Curiosity or Perseverance in their tracks. The target mission, covering 1,200 miles across the moon's surface. That's a serious leap forward. In science news, a private robotic spacecraft called Link is being launched to rescue NASA's Swift space telescope, which has been orbiting Earth for 22 years and is now falling toward a fiery re-entry. Northrop Grumman will carry Link up on its Pegasus XL rocket. The plan is essentially for a robot to play catch with a falling observatory in space. That's not science fiction. It's happening now. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about an $8,000 home humanoid robot in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.